The opposition People's National Party PNP has blasted the Andrew Holness administration for how it has handled the economy so far. From dwindling growth figures to public sector wage negotiations, opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips spoke about the issues at today's meeting of the PNP's National Executive Council in Clarendon. 5 in 4. 5% growth in 4 years by 2020. It was a major objective of the Andrew Holness administration, but last Wednesday, the Prime Minister admitted that the plan was in jeopardy and growth could be less than planned due to challenges in the economy. For opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips,
in the past year, growth that was heralded as going to be 5 in 4, growth is down. The rate of growth is below what was there in the last period when the PNP was in office.
In 2017, tourism made a strong contribution to economic growth, but agriculture declined in all 4 quarters. Nonetheless, the PNP president made this observation about the 5 in 4 program.
5 in 4 turns out to have been a cruel joke. Don't get me wrong. I take no pleasure. We take no pleasure in the non-performance, because all of us would like to see our country grow. All of us would like to see our country prosper. But growth is down. The inflation rate, that is to say price increases, are up.
Public sector wage negotiations were also up for discussion. Before some public sector unions had meetings with the Prime Minister, they rejected the government's 6% wage increase over 2 years.
6% over 2 years was less than what we settled for in the 2015 when we restarted negotiation with the workers. Which can only mean that the government considers that their finances were in a worse situation than it was when we were there.